Our shop has a thing called the Bat Parade, which is a collection of vintage, secondhand, like we're a thrift shop if you're new here, but it's all black, all very goth. You're thinking leather, lace. And every 3 months, we release a collection that is just like the most fire goth shit you've ever seen. Goth Christmas. But yesterday we did a photo shoot to promote the collection that's coming out on Saturday. And I just have to share it with you because I think it's the most dramatic, queer, joyful thing I've ever filmed in my life. I shared the footage with the staff and I'm like literally about to tear up. So here it is.